Right there, I have a little bird. He's been attacked by my cats, and I don't know what to do. It's okay. The cats are all inside. Chase them inside so you're nice and safe till they learn how to use the camera properly. Okay? Don't worry, I won't push the camera forward. I'm going to use this stick. Is that okay? It's okay. It's okay. This is as close as it's going to get if you don't feel safe around it. There he is. There we go, bird. It's okay. He sort of walks with a limp because I think my cat's like attacked his leg or something. But he's nice and safe there. I'm gonna make sure by making sure the cats stay inside. Yes, little birdie.